What's up, guys? We're back. So I think I already showed you guys this, and it's already soft. And I'm gonna actually try to cut this guy open, and then do a peel test and do a taste test on this. People are calling this like Black Beauty. It actually looks really nice. So this was a sucker from a local grower, and he says it's actually very, very productive. The tree produces a lot of fruit, and he also says that it tastes really good. So we're gonna cut this guy open and do a quick taste test and see what it looks like on the inside. I wrote on here because I weighed it 10.8 ounces. So I mean, this is the perfect size avocado, really. If you look at some of the big ones are a little too big. You got way too much avocado, but this is an excellent size. I mean, this is perfect for kind of like if you're going to make a avocado toast or anything like that, it's perfect size for it. I also have this other one that I got from another friend, and he found this at I don't act. You know what? I don't actually know where he found it, but he was able to get some fruit. He says that this is really good also. The tree that this came from is on a sidewalk somewhere. So people can just walk by and actually pick the fruit, really, because it's just on the sidewalk. But it's interesting because it's kind of a the story is that this was a seedling from Mexico. The lady who had it brought it back and just decided to plant it in the sidewalk there. And the idea is that, well, it might not be in the best spot, so she's thinking about trying to move it to the backyard or something like that. But we're gonna cut both of these guys open. We'll do a taste test, and then we'll see what these guys are all about at this point. I'm gonna start with this. So this is already soft. I did the toothpick test. You know, you can stick a toothpick in there, and if it's nice and soft and goes right to the seed, then we're good. So let's see what this guy looks like on the inside. Oh, slices super smooth. Very nice. Look at that. I would say this is on the bigger side for the seed. Not necessarily a small seed like a Jan Boy's. So very nice color. Edges are darker green, close to the skin. Um, the seed comes off nicely. It's not like it's peeling off or the flesh is stuck to the seed or anything like that. So let's do our peel test real quick. And of course, this is very scientific, right? So um, what I like to do is just kind of start from the bottom and just kind of pull up. So peels, not too good. I'm sure we can scoop it out, probably be okay. So some other varieties you can peel it all the way out, almost like a banana, but this kind of broke right in the middle there. Not a big deal. So, I mean, we can try to taste this real quick. Wow. um, Dang, that's good. That is really good. This is better than, oh my gosh, this is better than a lot of avocados. This is good. It's not like super, super soft and buttery. It's a little bit more firm, but I mean, I like that texture. I don't like it super like buttery where kind of falls apart and kind of like mush. This is firm. This would be great in like if you're doing it like a ceviche. and you cut it into cubes and you kind of throw it in the ceviche and mix it in, this will hold its shape and you'll get like cubes of avocado as you're eating your ceviche. Would be excellent on toast and a guac also. Okay, so I'm gonna reach out to my friend. I hope he's gonna be willing to give me some scion wood because I'm gonna try to put this on my Frankenstein avocado tree for sure. Tastes really good, and if it's really productive and it looks like this, I think we got a winner. I mean, honestly, that's good. So, and you know what, guys, I've tried seedlings before, and I'm usually pretty honest. If it's not good, it's not good. This is good. So, all right, pause. Let's go to this. Let me get a napkin. Going back to this real quick. I mean, you can see that there is some oil developing. From what I hear, this will turn black on the tree, and he picked it when it was mostly black. But he also says that it kind of hangs on the tree for a while. So that's really a good attribute for an avocado. If it hangs on there for a while, it's kind of a good thing because you don't want to have a small window where you have to harvest all of your fruit or it's going to go bad. So if you can just slowly pick them throughout the year or throughout the season, that's kind of a win in my mind. But let's go back. Let's go to this one. So this is that sidewalk one that I got. This one's a smaller one. I got a bigger one. I'm saving the bigger one for now. And let's cut this guy open and see what this guy looks like on the inside. Oh, it cuts nice too. Okay. Skin feels on the cut a little thicker. So color-wise, it's very nice also. The seed is not, I mean, the seed's smaller than Black Beauty here. But the fruit, I mean, it's lighter shade also of yellow. Not as dark green on the edges. So we'll do our little peel test. So it's kind of how I do it. I start from the bottom. Oh yeah, this one peels really nice. Breaks up here, but that's because I think it was really ripe. So that peels nice though. I mean, overall, if you can peel it all the way up to the top there, that's kind of nice. So let's try this one. I want to try it from the bottom, just like this other one. So this is the bottom section. Oh, this is nice also. This is really nice. This is way more soft and buttery compared to this other one. So this one's more spreadable, I would say. Flavor is really good. I would say it's more mild compared to this one. So if you're eating it side by side, here, let me do that. Okay, so I'm going to try to do side by side. This one is, okay, we'll try to do this side by side here. I'll move things around so I don't forget. This one is definitely more soft and buttery. It peels nicer. Flavor is really good. A little bit more mild, but this one's here. Let's do this first and then do the second. Very good too. This is delicious. Let's try this one. Okay, this is a notch up on this one. The sidewalk one is really good. It's very It's more smooth and buttery. This is very spreadable if you want to spread this on a toast. This is more, a little bit more dense, more chunky, but firm, but also very good, like, can be spreadable. More, yes, I guess it is spreadable, but flavor wise, I would say this is a notch up. This Black Beauty is definitely a notch up because it has more of a nutty flavor. You can taste the nuttiness in here, but this one probably is a notch up on that. So now I would be happy with both of these really. If I had both of these in my yard and they both produce and you can actually get fruit right now. We're talking about like we're in what, February? So if you have fruit in February and your Hass is going to be coming in later, your lambs are going to be coming in later. So having this type of flavor profile and quality of fruit at this time of year, to me, that's a win. So definitely going to look to see if I can get some cyan wood, and we'll give it a try for both. Why not, right? I'm going to put the seed into a pot. I'm going to see if I can just grow it just for fun. This one, I'll probably do it too. Just throw it in there. Maybe we'll get some seedlings to go, and then we'll graft the actual mother tree on here, or mother tree on here too. So anyways, I hope you guys are doing good. I was trying to make it quick, and I just wanted to do a quick taste test of these guys. I know I shared this one in the video already, but it's finally soft enough that we can actually enjoy it. So I'm excited to give this a try, and it definitely did not disappoint. I got this from a friend. He said it was super buttery, super creamy. 100% agree, and definitely a very good avocado also. But hopefully you guys are doing good. We will talk later. See ya.